How to analyze rental properties quickly without spreadsheets. In this guide, you'll learn 5 simple no-stress methods to evaluate rental properties quickly and confidently, without spreadsheets or calculators. Just clear thinking, smart shortcuts, and practical math that works in the real world. Why simple math works. You don't need a fancy financial model to spot a great deal. If a property looks good with approximate numbers, you're probably on the right track. The best investors screen opportunities fast and refine only the promising ones. Remember, great deals look good even with rough math. Fast screening lets you compare more properties. Consistent methods create repeatable results. And detailed analysis should be saved for properties that pass your first test. Speed is your advantage. Start with your goals. Before you run any numbers, get clear on why you're buying. Ask yourself, are you after income today? Steady monthly cash flow to replace or supplement your income? Wealth over time? Building long-term equity and net worth for future financial freedom? Or both? Earning income now while building wealth for the future. Your goals determine which numbers matter most and what trade-offs you're willing to accept. How rentals make money. Rental properties make money in 2 main ways: income and equity. Income means monthly cash flow. Rent minus expenses equals your surplus. That's your profit after paying all bills and the mortgage. Positive cash flow creates financial stability and funds your lifestyle. Equity is how you grow wealth over time, by buying low, improving properties, paying down the mortgage, and benefiting from appreciation. The best deals deliver both: strong cash flow and solid equity growth. The 5 key income formulas. Here's your toolkit, 5 quick checks that tell the whole story. 1. GRM, gross rent multiplier. 2. The 1% rule. 3. Cap rate. 4. Net income after financing. 5. Cash on cash return. Together, these give you a complete picture of a property's income potential and help you judge its investment quality in minutes. GRM, gross rent multiplier. The formula is simple. GRM equals purchase price divided by annual rent. A lower number is better. It means you're paying less for each dollar of income. Example, a $432,000 property renting for $43,200 per year gives you a GRM of 10. If the market average is 12 to 15, you've likely found a strong deal. The 1% rule, your first filter. This one's fast. Monthly rent should be roughly 1% of the purchase price. For example, a $300,000 property should bring in at least $3,000 a month. If it doesn't, move on. It's not perfect, but it's a powerful first-pass tool for eliminating weak deals quickly. If it passes, then it's worth a deeper look. Cap rate, pure property income. Cap rate shows the property's pure income yield before financing. Cap rate equals net operating income divided by purchase price. Example, if annual rent is $24,000 and expenses are $14,000, your net operating income is $10,000. On a $100,000 property, that's a 10% cap rate. Higher cap rates generally mean better income for your money, but always compare within your market. Check net income and cash on cash return. Start with your net operating income, rent minus expenses. Then subtract your mortgage payment to find true monthly cash flow. For example, $2,500 in monthly NOI minus a $2,000 mortgage equals $500 cash flow, or $6,000 a year. Now calculate cash on cash return. That's annual cash flow divided by total cash invested. If you earn $14,800 on $150,000 invested, your KOC return is 9.87%. This tells you what your actual dollars are earning and helps you compare it to other investments. Many investors aim for at least 8 to 12%. Your napkin analysis workflow. Here's the full process. 1. Define your goals: cash flow, equity, or both. 2. Find properties through listings, agents, or direct leads. 3. Gather quick numbers: rent, price, expenses, and financing terms. 4. Run all 5 metrics: the 1% rule, GRM, cap rate, net cash flow, and cash on cash return. 5. Evaluate equity potential. Look for discounts, improvements, and market growth. 6. Make your decision. If a deal passes this napkin test, then it's worth deep due diligence. And remember the golden rule. If a deal only works with complicated assumptions or creative math, pass on it. Great deals shine through even with simple